Okay, well, hello everyone, and welcome back. This is Neil from Dreamtree English, and in this video, I am going to teach you how to make long sentences in English. So let's get started. Okay, everyone. So you want to know how to make long sentences in English, right? Well, it's actually quite easy. What we need to do when we are speaking, we need to be more descriptive. More descriptive. So to be descriptive means to give more information. It means to give more details about what we are talking about. So let's look at some examples. Okay, example number one. So the question is, how was your weekend? Hey, how was your weekend? So a simple answer is, it was okay. I went to the beach. But let's give a longer answer. Let's be more descriptive. Okay. Let's read this. It was actually very relaxing. I took my Bluetooth speaker to the beach and I listened to music while I watched the waves. Now, you see in this example how I gave you more details? I told you I went to the beach, but I also told you what I did at the beach. Okay, so let's take a look at another example. Okay, example number two. The question is, how was the new Jurassic Park movie? And a simple answer is, oh, it was pretty good. But let's give a longer answer. Let's be more descriptive. So here it is. I really enjoyed it. I've watched all of the Jurassic Park movies, but by far, this one was the best. My favorite part was the ending. You should go and watch it. So you see in this example, I told you that I've watched all of the Jurassic Park movies. I told you my favorite part, and I also told you that you should watch it. I'm advising you to watch it because I really enjoyed it. Okay, everyone. So you see in these examples that in order to make long sentences in English, we just need to give more information. And I just want to give this last slide. We just need to be more descriptive. We need to give more details about what we are talking about. And that's a very simple way to make longer sentences in English. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.